Gazipur police, after which the woman was put on hold. Indore police is reaching Gazipur. Sonam herself called her home, and 4 people, including the wife, have been arrested in connection with Indore man's murder in Meghalaya. And a wife was allegedly involved in the Indore man's murder during honeymoon in Meghalaya, and she was the one who hired killers. So big update that is coming in as far as the Meghalaya honeymoon murder case is concerned. 4 people have been arrested, which also includes wife Sonam.
Ki lat khobor ki yathu ha ke India TV ba ke Sonam kalapun hi daladi syaki bahaying jongka bat markumta ki bahaying kilpentip syaki pulit jong ke Indore ha kaba kilpentip syaki pulit ha Kasipur ki balalej ban kem yaka ki pulit na Indore ki dang lej menta sya Kasipur ban shimti ya ke Sonam ka khobor jong ke News 18 ke yathu ba ke Sonam rakuwansi kala telefon hi menin kamit sya uhamen jongka ukowin hakaba kala yathu ba ka don hayupi markumta ki pulit kila kemno yaka na ka wei kedukan bamja bat layalam sya ki doktor bakin pej ya ka koj ke khe jongka kumban sukdeu hang ni ba ka Sonam rakuwansi kal lej pendem yaladi hakmat ka an hanin kamit sni ublei hanankan police station Kasipur district Uttar Pradesh ki pulit kila yathu ba kila yokem ya wei urunar na Uttar Pradesh bat arngut na Indore Madhya Pradesh ki pulit kila yathu ba ka kurim uraja kalawan pendem hi daladi hakmat ki pulit ha Uttar Pradesh ha ka jingkenra ki pulit kila yo ban kem ya barok ki badon kti ha ka ban peniap ya uraja ban nagaliang menteri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ulai ka jingyero ya ki pulit ka jela Meghalaya halor ka jing yokem ya ki runar bat ka jingwan pendem ka Sonam ha ka tweet menteri rang ba ka jela ulong hapo han news ngi ki pulit ka jela Meghalaya kila yo ya uso ha ka jing peniap ya uraja laingot kinong penyat ki badai na Madhya Pradesh layok ban kem ka kanthei kala lej pendem hi bat ka jing kenra kadang yat ban yo kem sa uwei phila tre kam bha Meghalaya police